Here's a quick overview of how Buildbite works. Buildbite is the leading AI-powered field management solution that is designed with one objective in mind, and that's to improve the efficiency of field operations. In other words, to help companies in business areas such as construction, service and maintenance, cleaning, facility and property management, just to name a few, and to help these perform better. And here's why this is actually a pretty big deal. You see, Buildbite solves the very real and unfortunately also very painful problem of poor communication and collaboration between all stakeholders in any of these business areas. And that's a problem that results in things like low margin, poor productivity, customer complaints, and unfortunately also rework. There are three main user roles in Buildbite. Owners and managers who need to have all information in one place in real time. Field workers and subcontractors who are on site completing tasks they have been assigned to. And finally, clients who want to see progress and want to approve the work once done. Let's now look at how all of this works in real life. So let's say a contractor has been tasked with remodeling a kitchen. The contractor knows that this job consists of the following 5 phases: design, demolition, fabrication, installation, and finally handover. The manager starts by heading over to Buildbite's admin portal, adds the job with these details, adds a start and end date, and a list of all the tasks that need to be completed, including instruction and documentation. With the job now defined, the manager can easily assign workers and subcontractors to these individual tasks. If this is the first time these workers and subcontractors are using Buildbite and consequently don't have the app on their phones, you can invite them either by using their email address or mobile phone number. The worker will receive a message including instructions on how to download Buildbite and how to get started. And when that's done, you can start assigning them to individual tasks. The task will immediately show up in the mobile application and the worker or subcontractor can start completing the task, including the tracking of time. Workers or subcontractors who are assigned to a task after its start date will now see all task updates that have been added to date. And in case they speak a different language, we've included a real-time translation feature that translates all task descriptions, instructions, updates, and chats to their own language. All the while a worker or subcontractor is completing the task, he or she can provide task-specific updates in the form of text, image, or video updates. These will be shared with everyone assigned to the task and are of course immediately visible to the owners and admins of the job. Using the admin portal, the manager can view all active jobs, receive notifications, and see updates. They can see which workers and which subcontractors are working on which tasks and how they're progressing, and can directly communicate with every single field worker. You can also assign workers and subcontractors with specific skills, licenses, or certifications that will help you in planning and scheduling work with or without AI. Managers can create and use customized template reports that include, for example, written commentary on progress over a particular time period, time spent, photos, and files shared in these individual task updates. To sum it up, with Buildbite, everyone is informed and in sync, everyone communicates, and everyone and everything gets documented. And Buildbite can coexist with your existing tools. That's Buildbite explained. If you want to try out Buildbite, go to the website and sign up for a free trial, after which you always have a 30-day cancellation period. Thank you for watching.